Let's learn how you can create a presentation on Canva. So first step you want to do is to open your browser and go to canva.com website. Now this will be your home page. You just want to click on this presentation button and it will open you until the design. Here you will get the templates on sidebar menu. Some of them will be free, some of them will be paid, so you just want to check free one if you don't have a pro version of Canva. I like this one. Now you can see preview here. To enter it, you just want to click apply all 10 pages. And now this will be your business plan, for example. Now you can edit everything, as you can see here. This is some logo probably. This is the timeline. And you can just change it, for example, to some of yours brand name, as you can see here. Now you can also change the image, of course. You can literally edit everything. You can even edit this box, as you can see. If you don't like, you can also put border weight, and you can just change contact info and everything. When you're finished, you can also present it, but most importantly, you can make a collaboration link if you want to share it with someone, or you can upload it to Google Drive or send to PowerPoint if you want to edit some more, or you can just download it to have it in your files. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.